These people are not serious. It's the 21st century, and we're letting a woman outsmart the rest of us.
At least she had a life with Patrick, better than the rest of us. Leave her alone. Neria is a grown-up man. She can take care of herself.
How must I leave her alone? You are too stupid to see that Neria is sucking our family dry.
You think I haven't seen the way you look at her now? All you care about is money and a pretty woman. Too disgusting.
I'll not have you speak to me like that. Have some respect. Wazunzo,
Go ahead.
you must behave. And then I'll take you to the city. How do Garambaya Kanagem town you go? Driving around in a nice car? Living in the city? Wouldn't that be nice?